Hey guys, welcome to the .NET Study Room. First of all, congratulations to you that you have chosen C# as the programming language to write your code. There is a playlist on this channel, Getting Started with C#. You can watch it to get familiar with the fundamentals of .NET and C# language. C# is an object-oriented language. It is primarily used for programming, developing applications. The applications are based on the .NET framework. Gone are the days where C# was just used for Windows operating system specific application development. With .NET Core, it is now a cross-platform language. It is such a beautiful language, and you will keep realizing this, the more you write code using it. Further, Visual Studio is best IDE you will ever use. It makes the programming and development process very efficient and productive. In this series of videos, we will start writing C# code with Visual Studio 2022 Community version. We will cover some very basic blocks of code that you will find yourself writing very often. We will not use any graphical user interface, but instead, build console applications. Traditionally, any programming language is introduced to its learners using a Hello World program. So, let's start with a program that prints Hello C# to the console. So, here we go. Visual Studio is starting up. The initial screen of the IDE will give some options to open an existing project from the recent projects list, or clone an online code repository, or to open a project or solution saved to your storage, or open a folder in which code files are present, or create a new project using a wizard, and finally, continue to Visual Studio without code. That's a lot of options. Let's start creating a new project with the help of the wizard. Click on Create a New Project option from the list of options in the right side. Now you have to choose a template for your application from a list of wide range of templates. You can filter out the list according to the language, platform and project types. We will be using C# language and a Windows platform application with .NET framework. This is available for me in the Recent Project Template list. You can find the one by browsing the list or searching from the search bar. The console app template is available for C# as well as VB languages. Also, .NET Framework is mentioned for some templates. It is for building the app specifically for Windows platform. Where .NET Framework is not mentioned, it is for building a cross-platform app which can run on Windows, Linux, macOS platforms. Yes, the .NET has gone cross-platform now. The framework used is called as .NET Core or simply .NET. If .NET Framework is mentioned, it means it is for Windows platform only. So, choose your template and click Next. And this is the final step in the wizard. Mention the project name, the folder in which you want project files to be saved, the solution name, and the version of framework. Solution name is generally the same as project name. So, what is the difference between the project and the solution? A solution is a collection of projects. One solution may have multiple projects in it. The IDE provides building or rebuilding all the projects under one solution in a single click. I will choose Framework version 4.8, which is the last version in the .NET framework. When ready, click Create button. Visual Studio will create a bunch of files in the specified folder and open the project for you. Every time you create a new project using the template, Visual Studio provides some pre-typed code, so you don't have to write everything from scratch. By default, program.cs file opens up. It has the default internal class, program. The namespace of this class is the one you specified as the project name. The entry point of the program or application is the method named main. It is a static method. Now, let's quickly write the Hello World program. We use the static class, console. This class console has two methods for writing to the console. One is write and another is writeLine. So, console.writeLine and in parenthesis, the string hello world. When we run the program, the console, or command prompt window is opened, and the string hello world is printed on it. So, that is how you write a hello world program. C# language is an ocean. No matter how much you swim in it, there is much more to do. And this is just the starting. Subscribe to the .NET Study Room channel, and press the bell icon, to get notified for the latest content. Thank you for watching.